I guarantee you by the end of this year, I will not be spending $3,000 a month on software. It might cost me $10,000 to build everything because this thing eats tokens like crazy. So the way it works with these things is you pay a monthly fee and you get a certain amount of credits that you use. And what Perplexity Computer does is it's like an orchestrator of AIs. So it's using ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, CLAUDE code. It's using all these things at once. You know, so I'll task it with something and it'll say, bam, firing up 3 agents. And it's just running 3 AIs in the background. And whoever's the best one for that particular task is what it uses. It is freaking insane, man. So definite game changer. Obviously, I'm not a coder. I'm very tech forward, right? Like I love this stuff, but I'm not a guy who spent my whole youth writing computer code. I feel bad for anybody who made their whole career on coding because it's totally getting disrupted right now, you know. But I would say definitely if you own a business, Perplexity Computer, man, you need to understand that and learn how to use it. I think the only thing better than that is like an OpenClaw. An OpenClaw is a little bit above my head. Perplexity Computer was kind of like the happy medium from what I was reading. I tried it and like right out the box, man, I figured it out, you know. So total game changer. I'm wicked excited, you know. Even like Notebook LM, I was using that to build like my database of historical sales. So clunky though to put it in there, you know. So once I figure out my investor tracker, next up I'm gonna do all my historical sales. I'm gonna build an app with that can make charts. Oh dude, the videos are gonna be out of this world, man. The information and the data that we can get for our clients. I got investor toolkits on my website that I built on Google Sheets. I think that thing can convert them to a web app probably in 20 minutes. You know what I mean? Like, it's just nuts, man. It's just so nuts. You know, like, it finally, somebody at my level in business, right? The playing field is now leveled. I can compete with the biggest companies in the world because I can build whatever I need. And it's very easy to build something that could be useful and create value and give my clients a much better experience. You know what I mean? So I'm telling you, man, if you own any business and you're not looking at this stuff, you need to level the hell up or you're gonna get pushed aside, guys. It's that crazy and it's so easy to use. All right, major breakthrough. I was excited. I had to share it. All right, take it easy, guys. Talk to you later.